did you just get?
This is a bucket. A fantastic bucket with a nut in here. You can put your fingers in it and you can put the water out of it far better. And this is a good holding thingy here. And there is a nozzle, see, for the water. And there is sponge, scrubber sponge. And this tiny bit is the best you can...
Yeah, what are you gonna do with it?
I clean your flat, baby. I clean your flat.
Who's flat?
You're flat.
You're happy now.
Yeah.
Hey guys, so Ursula here.
Oh my god.
She has a female. We call it a...
What's
What it's a addiction. She loves to clean. She female means like an addiction. She loves to clean.
Everybody knows me knows how it's kind of.
Everything has to be. So right now she wants to clean my house and I didn't have a bucket. Now she just bought a bucket and she's the most happiest person.
And no scrubber sponge either.
I don't own supper scrunch.
Scrubber sponge.
Yeah, I don't own something like that.
It's Scrooge.
Scrooge. I have just normal houseware tools.
Or she uses paper tissues to flat to clean.
So we just got a letter and Javier is going on the letter to attach it on the chimney and he's gonna help us attach this lighting up here. And we tested, look, this is the strobe, it's working. It works fantastic, I'm excited. Oh, that would be nice, even inside the grapes.
I don't want to be exposed with the rain.
The wrong person. I'm the smallest here. I'm so sorry.
Oh no.
Wait. Javier, take the extension cord first.
That's why I'm gonna tie the
Don't hit
special
him.
for you.
Here. It hangs here.
Don't hit him. Be
I
careful.
didn't. Gosh.
Could whip him.
No, hit him. Kiss him. Right here.
Thank you, Javier. You have to watch that your outlet it's not exposed to water or wetness. As Javier, you see over there, he installed the out plug right under the roof. So this might be storm-proof and waterproof, but the outlet might not be waterproof. So you don't want any shortage. So you need to be smart and just be like Javier. He's awesome. Be like Javier. Step 1 is to get the outlet. Step 2 is to attach the outlet to the product. And step 3 is to put it up and kind of design the place here. Look at this. Look at this. Everything okay up there?
Yeah. We pull it. We're gonna disconnect it.
Yeah. Wow, look at this. This is nice. This is echt nice. So we just put up the first one right there, which is awesome. And it looks really great. And now we have to detach the other outlet because we wanted to daisy chain them and make a zigzag. So it goes over here, 1, over here to the tree, 2, and then it will come out right here, and then we'll attach it on this, and then we'll do another zigzag on this tree. Yeah, if you have a bigger garden, because my garden is really small, you need to think about to get probably like 100 feet, because 50 feet is like nothing. It's just enough for my garden, but I would like more. I mean, I have now 16 bulbs, 8 bulbs on each package, but like if you have a big garden, you really need more bulbs just to have more lighting. But this 16 bulbs looks already awesome. Hold on. Also, what I like is you can just like let the bulb fall like this on the ground, like this, and it doesn't get scratched or breaks because it's shutterproof. That's so cool. Oh, and that's the Wild Parents of Pasadena. Oh, hello. Hello. Where's Destiny? Destiny. Where's Destiny? Where's he? Hi, Destiny. Destiny. Destiny's on the tree. Destiny. Hi, Destiny.
I'm hungry.
So this is Javier. He is amazing. Javier, tell them what you have to do.
Well, instead of doing one extension cord, so we're doing two extension cord with lights. So we have to tie it because when you pull it out, it's gonna separate it. So to be sure, let's tie it to be sure that it's strong enough.
No words needed to add on.
I'm checking all those lights. See? I did it. Okay. This is blue. From blue to turquoise. From turquoise to light green and to green. This is red, dark orange, orange, and yellow. It's fantastic. Love it. Just love it. Look at this.
And then you have all these different modes, right? Strobe
So
and dimming.
you have strobe. It's like change the colors and 2-hour timer. Modes. Color 1, whatever this is. And color 2 might be the dimming version. You know, yeah, exactly. Turquoise, pink, pale,
and white.
Fantastic.
I like the white
Just
there.
it's fantastic.
It was also expensive.
Wow, I like it. I really like it.
So we just attached this one. And because this has the transformer right there, it has to have something heavy to lay on. So we decided not to have it like dangle in the air. And we put it right on the tree, right there, the big black box. And it goes over here. We can't really pull it because the tree is not really stable. But we pull it over here to that place. And then from here, we'll probably go back on the tree on that side. So we are done with the work and it looks amazing. It looks just so pretty that I just can't wait now that it gets dark. Look at this. So we attach it from here to here in the wall, then from the wall to the tree, from the tree back over to that place, and then from there over there. And it's amazing. It looks really nice. Once it gets dark, I'm gonna get another shot so you guys can see exactly how it looks. Can't wait now for it to get dark. Once it's dark, you will see the real effect of the lighting, which would be amazing. It will be really dreamy. What I really like about this product is it comes with 2 remotes because it's 2 different boxes. But once you daisy chain it, you just need 1 remote. You don't need to use 2 for 1. You use 1 for 2, which is awesome. This makes life so much easier. Thank you. Thank you, Enbrighten Cafe, to have this technology to make our life easier to use just 1 remote for both lights while they are daisy chained. Thank you again for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and I'll see you next time. Bye!